recipe with you, alright? To be honest with you, you do not have to drink this kind of drink every day. You can drink it like early in the morning or at night before you even go to your bed. And also we got the Caribbean Fusion. Normally we use the Caribbean Fusion. This is one of the green tea which I normally use. Alright. And also this is another one which I normally use also when I'm making tea sometime in the morning. You can get this on the Caribbean Fusion website .com, Caribbean Fusion sauce and spice.com. You can get this on their website. Alright. I just want to simply share with you. This is what I'm going to be using to make my tea today. You know what I mean? It's just a cup. Alright. I'm gonna be using this one. This is very good for, you know what I mean, detoxing and also cleansing of the body. This one is very, very, very good. But the thing is, what I like to do when I'm doing this one, to be honest with you, alright, I'm gonna be using 1 tea bag. Alright, but the thing is, I'm gonna pour some hot water. And I'm going to be using for about half cups of hot water. Alright. Inside it. But what I like to do when I'm doing that kind of tea, which is this one, to be honest with you guys, I like to put extra lemon inside of it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is squeeze roughly about half of a lemon or lime inside of it. Alright, I like to use extra lime or lemon inside of it. Trust me, it's bringing out a lovely different flavor to it. But as I said, you can try it for yourself and see exactly how it works for you at home. But it's a drink which I definitely like to drink it in the morning and sometime in the evening before I even go to my bed. I like to drink it. Alright, but as I said, you can give it a try. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drink this one. Oh, this is very hot. Alright, let me give it a mix. But also, the Caribbean Fusion one is very, very good also. I like that one. Because most of the morning I drink this one. Because I only have a little bit left inside of it. Beautiful one to drink early in the morning. Especially if you're a person or doing like a cleansing of the body and also a detoxing of the body. This come in really, really handy for you guys to say, try this one at home. Alright? Let's taste it and see how it tastes. It's beautiful. It's fantastic and amazing. I love it. So basically, I did not use a lot of hot water inside of it, but you just want to make it draw for a few minutes. Alright. Yeah, it's beautiful. Really, really, really beautiful. I love it. To be honest with you, I make it quite a few times, and I said to myself, I just love to share this and an amazing one with you today to see what do you think of this new one. Alright? Yeah, it's amazing, guys. I love it. But as I say, you only can try these kind of recipe for yourself and see. But you just want to make sure everything come out of this an amazing tea bag. I'm gonna taste it again and see where I am. That is lovely. Oh my days, that is amazing, guys. Honestly, it's fantastic, lovely and delicious. And not only that, you can drink this early in the morning, like on a Monday morning or a Tuesday morning before breakfast. You know what I mean? Or at night before you go to your bed, you want to drink this one. It's beautiful. I love it so much. I love this one. Alright, now that's it. Alright, so we're going to do a simple squeeze out this right here. good to use a spoon and squeeze it out because it's very, very hot. But, wow, I didn't want it to burst, but it burst. Sure. As I said, you can try. It got a lot of ginger in it. As I said, yeah, you can get this in the local shop or your supermarket. You know what I mean? As you can see, you got all of these right here inside of it. It's fantastic and amazing. You can get this in the local shop or your supermarket, and you know, it's beautiful. Something to try at home. All right. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to transfer into my cup because it's very hot. But I only did it because in the glass for you to see exactly what I'm talking about when I'm making this an amazing tea. Right here. It's beautiful one, guys. Trust me. It's lovely, delicious, and I want you guys definitely to try this one at home and see exactly what do you think about this and an amazing one. Alright? It's just one of these one which you definitely want to try at home. Alright? The flavor, the texture, and not only that, you can get this one on the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice.com. You can go over to the website and you can get this one also. Alright? It's just beautiful, and it's something where it's very, you know what I mean, it's just like for detoxing of the body and also cleansing of the body, weight loss. There is so many things going on with this kind of drink. Alright? And also I have another one which I want to share with you, but it's on the Caribbean website. If you go to the Caribbean website, they got a different kind of drink over there on their website. If you are interested to try something totally different in the morning for detoxing and also for cleansing of the body. But as you can see, this one looking amazing and fantastic. Look at the color. I put a little bit of extra lemon, and you can use lime, whatever, inside of it. If you think you need a little bit more extra of a lemon or a lime, you can also do it. But as I said, it's just one of these ones which you want to try at home in your kitchen. Alright guys, it's a beautiful recipe. Me personally, I drink it a lot of time and I love it, and I just introduce you guys to things which I know that, you know what I mean, have a lot of health benefit. You know what I mean, like lemon tea, like ginger tea, like garlic tea, and all of these things is very, very good because we all know that they are been using all of these ingredients for many, many years, guys. Alright, so I just introduce you to it. So hopefully guys will definitely enjoy this one. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments in the description box. Alright, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.